Traders, I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. What I want to do with this video is show you how you can day trade or intraday trade, even scalp, depending on the time frame you're on, Bitcoin with a really simple one chart, powerful strategy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce this indicator. It's called the trend sentiment indicator. And as you can see, it provides these buy signal, buy and sell signals. The strategy is incredibly simple. Long position on the signal, stop under the previous swing. And when it's trending like this, we simply add to our position, set and forget. And we extend our target, but it gets better. I'm going to show you this indicator here. This is our trend channel. We enter when the buy signal triggers and price breaks above this midline, the mean. So we can buy on the pullback here. Whenever price moves into this white line and we get a signal, we buy. We buy. You could still buy here as well if you like. That's moving slightly out. That's okay. By the way, it gets better. Now, you can, if you want to, avoid buying when... See, there's a couple of lines. There's this midline, and then we have these other two lines here. They're a bit faint. I've deliberately reduced the intensity of these lines in the settings because I don't want a lot of noise on the chart. But when it trades out from the mean, and here you can see the line, it's a couple of deviations out. You may or may not want to get involved with that. I prefer to get involved when it pulls back into this white line, the mean. So you can continue to build a position or add to your position, stay in it. And I mean, these couple maybe got taken out with this stop run, fair enough, but these are still running and you just keep adding. While we're trading above the cloud, you can stay in it. If you trade into the cloud, up to you, you can exit at that point if you want to, and then that will avoid that. So close all your positions right there. See the cloud here? I'll change the settings on the cloud so you can see it. But this is a winning indicator strategy. What it does, just quickly, it looks at 6 time frames, and when all 6 time frames meet a certain criteria in terms of the momentum and the trend, it'll paint the same color. As soon as we have 6 green bars, that will paint. Okay, red kicks in and then green kicks in here, then we get that. So you can exit on the move into the cloud. I'll show you the cloud quickly. It's down here, we can increase the intensity, okay, so you get an idea. And the other thing we can do with this is include these green and red dots. At the moment, they're green dots. So that defines the levels of the cloud. Now, this indicator, it includes variations of the average true range indicator. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but it measures market movement and volatility, and we can place our stop loss in the cloud. As you can see here, price trades above the cloud. It'll pull back into it, but yeah, I mean, we can be buying with these signals all the way through, and then, you can exit when it trades into the cloud, but it gets even better than that. Let's just introduce the trend bars. All right, notice the color of the candles. So when we go back, we enter when the bars are green, or the candles are green, back down in here. Okay, so there's the entry point, the candles are green, and we continue to add to our position as I showed you while the candles are green. We stay in it. Candle turns white and then red. That can be your cue to exit all of the previous positions if you want. Anyway, it continues on. You add to your position or you enter again. Stay in it until the candles turn red. And there's your first red candle, and that's when you can exit. It gets more advanced. We have these levels here, higher time frame levels that we use, but I won't go into that in this video. I do daily mentorship videos on trading and using the indicators, and I want to invite you to join me on this journey, gain access to the indicators. And not only that, guys, shout me Sushi Trade once a month. That's all it is. I love what I do and I love sharing my success. You gain access to my Telegram group, daily signals, my trading course, daily mentorship videos on using the indicators, how to trade, and you gain access to the indicators, TradingView indicators. So tradingwithanthony.com, click on indicators, and all the information is there, and it's only $29.95. This is a promotional discount. Jump on board. and lock this in, there's some options below, because I mean this will be going up in the near future. But while it's, Sushi Train once a month, here's an invite. Oh, by the way, the channel is fairly new, my YouTube channel. Well, I've had it for a while. I've removed a bunch of videos. Help me build it. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and that will help the YouTube algorithms. So with that, many thanks, and see you again.